Yamuache mwakoba BMD Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa Senim Kwanshan sama odi abreye de du so no ye Badwam kase sam no ne etodwa omubia wo betine eye chairman Wontumi a lawyer for said de age eye bia ni wa efusu won mo omugusu agina won die mu sansemi ene nsema foforo bi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTuber search Adom TV Tube na kwadomonline.com semi ene nsema foforo bi wo ho midi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de miente se den semni chemo etie mranim ni ya wo twitwaje asantemantamu dwamtenani Bernard Ntwibu asiakon adodo na anim no chairman Wontumi ese eneim wonomo enipa ba kwa attorney general ayi no ana wayi ne charges free no so no ensesa hwe omgusu agina mu ni a wonomo ebeye nokre ene wonde betudwa emunsem enie.
I always sound this morning that we should be careful not to attempt to influence decisions of court. Attorney General is also Minister for Justice, and his role as Minister of Justice is even more important than his role as the Attorney General and Government Prosecutor, because the justice of the moment is so important to every one of us as citizens of the country, because our emblem is freedom and justice. So if Attorney General, with all the materials available to him, all the resources available to him, including him being human personnel, if it is just for him to only rely on a former accused person to prosecute a matter against one of the accused persons or some of the accused persons, and he thinks that justice may not be undermined, that is his decision.
Majority Leader Ora Mahama Yarega se ene yi odi atomra sebejafo animu se mrashebejadi ma de hye WASSCE North se de na ama posifo na fe kura no ehye eguso ya de no ekokoto ni nyina no ejina na no da de siye ewobroni krom ohwidiem.
While I'm yet to be fully briefed on the matter, I want to take this opportunity to condemn in no uncertain terms the attack on the team of security officers who have been assigned to help deal with the menace of Galamsey, which has to be dealt with robustly. I have therefore instructed the Office of the Clerk and the Legal Services Office to provide all the needed support to the investigation by the Ghana Police Service within the framework of the 1992 Constitution.
Wadeni nsem etu dwawie no openi ono ene da Adom kese na no Mahama Yarega edi to dwa se mrashebejani ema esutifi North womo edi na ma aposifo a womo aye nhihye a womo de ne court.
So we scheduled that this morning the member should be sent to the CID headquarters to meet with one of the deputy CID directors for processing. And so this morning, he went with our majority chief whip and his lawyer. They received him at CID headquarters, took him through the processes.
Dom Kumano, the other one, Alexander Afenyo Markin, edi atudwa se amanyosem no womontwe omo enfrim na womohwe se womekutia Galamsey e wone kwan so edi abo oman no.
Mr. Speaker, can we as political leaders for once agree to stay the partisan approach on this matter and deal with it and let our citizens know?
South Africa Examination Council mpanimfo se ene Bono East ahafo ade asantemantamu eye emia ana mantama awodo a ensohwe demokro no bo wonu mudimu akotene.
2025 WASSCE results afena mark ni yewie Omuwie last week Saturday, ebimuwie Friday. Nti afe na omode scores number na omuwie no so aka next stage a process results no the marks me boom ni grading ni we nyina nti that is a stage you do here to results then ready. Well, for now dear yentumi entrese bia region when as a region we na high in terms of more practice because nyoma no mode aba no afe na hyehyɛ by region, by what do you call it, zone, and that kind of thing. Inti for now, the end to me, enka say region say, and I say region say, enna or more edia wasroba or share that anadia bono east half any Ashanti. Those were the hot spots, and now central region so I started a bus to Kakra or share relative to previous years figures now. Enti idea afed na monti we are able to me to so maybe 2025 assistant kakrama ebia some other regibina abedikan ti omo information bia regarding release of results your WhatsApp platform be kokoshe ho na obeja why ye ni WhatsApp platform me sense is to say ye ni WhatsApp platform bia ye di ejuma ye de na say your website ye de enyoma egu ho ama obi abetumi akono enya information bia ope afenso your Facebook page ye de ye information at all.
Director General, one of the Cybersecurity Authority, I know, Divine Salasi Agbeti, or the Judicial Authority, no Ministry of Education, Bekawo Abomwa, and they Mofra, ye basic school, a Hodwono, ye baby 2026, now 1 month on to TN, dear, a fast cybersecurity hono, ye the one every year, no what you see.
We are actually working with the education sector from the ministry to develop into the curriculum from basic schools, basic cybersecurity awareness programs built into their curriculum, especially to safeguard how to be or how to surf online. So we are working with the education sector, the ministry especially, to come up with a curriculum, and we hope to launch the very first of that by end of next year.
Director General G-Tech, Professor Ahmed Abdullahi Janapo, and so did to just say.
The Commission is therefore intentional about integrating digital competencies and cybersecurity awareness into our quality assurance frameworks, program accreditation, and institutional audits. An MOU is set to be signed to strengthen G-Tech's collaboration with the Cybersecurity Authority in this area. Ladies and gentlemen, we expect universities and colleges not only to produce employable graduates, but to nurture resilient graduates.
Enipenum and atwa na no ensiedo emu nan so na Ghana National Fire Service setumi ayiwaje won kwa nyina ye Sikuma Junction kwanhia ya esi ye ewo asujaban masimo eye epoye mantamo
Nano da ena edum jaduma ikufu a wono ewo Peki Fire Station enya ntiese enkwenhye bi esiwo Sikuma Junction no ewo sujaman mensi no mopoe mantam no mu a ahyemi no a na ba koye Toyota Noah ne registration number GX422-25 ena fa tipa tracker ne registration number GT725-19 ena sankwenhye esiwo wono mu entem na wabra edum jaduma ikufu enya sa enti wono mu ebupi mu ewo biye hɔ a edum jaduma ikufu penyumfo edi enimoma wono ekoye ebra wono ekodu wono hu senipa enkron ena won ho aka womu enkron no womu enande wono etumi eyi wono efiri bia na wowo ede wono ma National Ambulance Service for awodo wono kopimu Peki aban ayre sabia se wono nko ho na yarehwe wonfa emma won nenso nyame amfefie ma enipanuma na eka nipa enkron ho de ebra wodo wono ekodu ayre sabia no adokotafo kyerese wono etine no ensie do dada nam so ama eni more than a 7 de ama police force won try mu so emfemfiri wono mo
to akasiano so na yonkonsam for mu edia na Office of the Special Prosecutor so ayi Chief Executive Officer na wada National Petroleum Authority Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid ano on the video be na monti an wo kire mu se ene kwadu e de abono no de ya amanyosem no OSP atanaye abeya no.
Ensema Office of the Special Prosecutor ekruchi egu nkrata so adebetu dwano wo mo kira eye kane Chief Executive Emma National Petroleum Authority eye MP Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid enema edawa echire secretary hye ene ekwan bia wafa so eye sikasema emfa ne kwan woto aso se wo mo de ne call Criminal High Court ewon kran na sombu a wo mo de ball no eye se woni nipa bi aka wonu abom se wo mu ebeyi sikabutini bia emu dupa Ghana sika ene US sika bi efie bulk oil transporters ene oil marketing companies December bosome no afi 2022 ene afi 2024 wo mu assign their bonus say money laundering kwamboni a womo faso edisika edigwa OSP kira kane CEO wono ano no gine mfimfini a nema ekosu nyina odimu akotene na womo akwaje ni nyapade ebro 100 million Ghana cedis ene $100,000 ene japade ahodo bi eka ho anamo a womo etuye nyina no eye ade a womo enkrata efie banki ene kwan bi a womo faso eyi sika no eno ana womo edi tusa anamo no.
What's your problem?
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, I came to support my friend Wontumi. Me, my matter there is useless. It does nothing in it.
It's true.
YouTube blogger. Okay.
Enye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha ne bema kwan ya no pay ye de asie mrani adaje a wode ma yenti ye da se papa wa fei na wasori abeka ye ho no eye Badwam na wo hwe 5:30 na ye baye TV ne de Adom TV no ejina so 24 hours na Badwam ba 5:30 nyom to sa na Apostle Doctor ni te kutegwa ba 5:45 owie a 5:50 ye de news no to aso ti news no ne ye wie ya yadi agudie mu nsem na de bonkrata no health tips na afia kwanya na adaho ye bie phone lines na so the headline no abre eno na yede bro kwasinsi aboaten ye fia mankwa tamaklo Thomas Tina director Sarah Richmond Ike Sedem Henry OPD Frank ye makeup artist and so kaswa ha no nya kaswa Nungwa Beyonce and Stella and MCL said designers also for Israel and Frank Asempa and a light Pastor Isaac yina ye ka ho in the bedroom Broma Modi and Fache me drivers no so an peke e de yemba na Jacqueline no so almost see ha kama yet me abema be yedwuma ti do so pa ba ya na bibia no mienu ene yanimu da so team no so papa Enti Honorable JP Jordan Bismarck akwesinsi aboate Commander 32 anopay memoache
efi anopay me joso
na bibia boko
Yakopo Adom na nso
Adom no ohia bobo
yede yamiase
ene 5th November
yeko em say aka few
meka aka few be twaso na ade akatua nche meka aka few na esa na adwumaru afo no omadua yehye
wamo
adwumaru afo o ka ka few na o say adwin say nti bosomni say be so me atuaka so aha wo betua some boat for ka king boat is obi aye adwumaru obi aye adwumaru bi de adwuma ene me free Katie neja ya chia no
watch ya Katie okay
ya chia no papa no pay ye mu chia
ene wate as what kind of akwa no betimi kwa fa ha
se kura wo dina tiro kura baby onu de nso ne ye o sori akwachi ano abo ewura no obi sa
baby afi se bi a hye ye
nyame ehu me mobo me ne abusua ne adofo nti no bibi ayo okay ade e cheme nko ade amedi afe ti ese ya me didan mu ahurusie me ye de me kra beto me mintie atesem hunu na manimu na me kro no bad energy Wokakura matinso mente e wo machi because ade hwe to me ho men hwe ma ne say 1 minute nti eno na ya mpese obi amfa hye ne tirim obo be kan ma ne nye ho omo nkasa obi wo ho anu opo anu asamatie na ma me hwehwe quotation Brady Nyankopon quotation e me de pa Mr. Tamaklu onyamenye okese kente sa nka me de jaguma bobo ma adwen cheche wo mo anso ehwa no yi quotation bi ma me quotation we hin kwasi fache me pa woni atifo mo fa nche me kan no wa bi ono kwa makodeliti nti Proverbs 17 verse 28 kwasi ko dabi yankai Proverbs 26:4
Proverbs
26 verse 4
okay honum na okay do not answer a fool according to his folly or you yourself will be just like him okay
to what you say
and number 5 no say answer a fool according to his folly or he will be wise in his own eyes
Bible the answer mum ti o say Proverbs 26 verse 4
26:4 yeah
26 verse 4
Bible
no enfio bia jawo because someone said but that me kura so what no onam no obebo now so di na chi jejeje say mu yedi nyina ma yepe kofo otwa nkrofo adapa nom ne ade what you see quotation de wo ho to bi ye obi bia enkasa radiso hu konkon wonko bi ma jemu no omunka wo anu opo anu asem na eti ya kwesi anu anu no anu ye de nam wo kan ye nkasa because I say adwuma na ye ne de eye da ya wo beti obi na so
so obeti nipa na so ntia na so obi de nyina ne se ne obeka bi obedi watem
because onko asa enkama no nti ohun se de wo kan no kura bi ani mo
obeti adwuma after all these years that's one tia adwuma say in this regard yeah let's say we experience no also you know
yeah sometimes we ni pe mo ya
for
the way obi betimi atwo bi
ada bia timi ya me hwe nipa kro profile na me call the pictures enye obi ya na ya na odi pictures
no mo kwa sa mo form pictures so
yeah me hwe nipa kro picture na me reading the profile so oye hwan eno aye enough for me to say eye eni na me tilumba say the enti eto bia na onso ne ma bi so
yeah because what when standard na
nipa bi a okan semi sebi e de afa ho edi watem di wo yire di maame atem all because ye wadwuma no office wadwuma wo ye no enko to his favor so obetimi aye onyina se obedi watem na me hwe nipa ko picture na picture bi e da ho na se bi o sakatu nipa bi na do Matthias say yes wo sa ne de obeye because oso and one was said and never
on Luzure.
That is it.
Indian so so. Nema honorable Kwesibu Edin so akwa be aneja. Ono so experience. E dey ya be trouble bi.
Nyame adom be fine. Na mo so e.
Nyame adom. Omo ye mobo.
Ide man pay die.
Yes be jire mo.
Yes yeah.
Me jire mo.
Sabu so afo so ye.
Oh ba bibia ekoye.
Yes.
Di man say na o che me na me ye no.
Okay.
So ye ne sa.
Be fa. Yeah. O ground side ko su aka o ka so de o times 2 square kra.
No no via kan ho kakra but say normal.
O and the de ya.
And say me say obi de ne de akosi de say na ko port nchen o say dem. Ana o yi ni kakra ko so awan yi hu na akoba so a abere port say di nyina anye. And me that we could see him. Me crop to the gym. And then one was your one
was one she had one.
If you hatch a crowd, exactly who could be a bomb. Hey, ready?
I didn't back and all yours. You made up with Manuel Sushaka home. Oh, you're not been will be a worry.
It's well. Some of the other TV and we are 1 minute with him. Like what he said, say, I don't just yet. Why you know all these years down to as sanity?
No, man.
Obi no pay attention.
Yeah.
Just a respond the pay. The open. You any man cry na. On say say na o ye na sem fa. Ya dia me class em fa no bi.
Obejai.
Massa. Say no crew, say no crew. Chama, ye nim ko no ye. E ko ye nim.
Sir.
Bia be.
Sure.